Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on OnePlus 15. Okay, but before we launch our WhatsApp, let's open up the settings. And in here, as we scroll down all the way, let's make sure that under Google, that we are logged into the same Google account that we have selected when we are creating a backup before. Because if you'll be logged into wrong account, you won't have possibility to restore your chats. So simply remember about it and make sure that the account is proper. Now we can open up our WhatsApp, select your language and click on agree and continue. We can click on allow to send us notifications, and now in this bar we need to type our phone number. If you want to do it automatically, click on what's my number, click on continue, click on allow, and as you can see, the number has been automatically copied. Now we need to click on next, and we also need to verify this phone number using one of the two methods. We can use the code from the SMS message or select the missed call function. I always pick the second one because in my personal opinion it works much faster and it's more convenient and comfortable. You can also see that it's automatically selected. So I want to click on continue. If you want to verify another way, simply click the second button. Now click on allow. Now we need to wait for the call. Okay, automatically verifying, verified. Now we need to click on continue, allow for everything, and now select restore from backup. Remember that if you don't click on continue right now, you won't have possibility to restore that backup later, so that's the only chance that we have to do it. So let's click on continue. And now the process has started. Down below we can see the account from which we are currently restoring our backup, and it's the same Google account that I have shown you in the settings on my OnePlus. Now click on next. In here you can change your name and also change the profile photo if you are interested. Then click on next. And now we are ready to use our WhatsApp. As you take a look, all messages has been successfully restored, including photos and videos. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.